Hey, Andy here from Andy's Tech Tutorials. Now in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your Instagram password. I'm always amazed at the amount of people who don't know how to do this. It's not terribly difficult, but hopefully these steps will keep you on the right path. Now I would always encourage you to change your password every so often. If you keep the same password, or certainly if you use the same password for multiple different accounts, then you want to make sure that you have a different password for each of those. So if you are one of those people who's used the same password, like password1234 for numerous years on numerous different accounts, then this might be the time to change your password on Instagram. I have created another video which gives you 5 ways to keep your Instagram account safe and secure, and you can find that by clicking the card just above, or I'll put that in the link in the description as well. That's a really good video which covers 5 different ways to make your account as safe and secure as possible. But in this video, let's take a look at how to change your Instagram password. Now you can do this from your mobile device, but I'm going to show you how you can do that using the desktop version of Instagram. So first of all, we want to go up to the area at the top where we have our profile, and we just want to go down to settings, just the third option down. From within here, you'll see all of the information about your particular account, and to change your password, all you need to do is click on change password just on the left hand side here. Now to be able to change this, you will need to know your current password, and that's the one here under old password. At this point, all you do is you enter your old password in here. You then pop your new password in, and your new password again, a confirmation version of that one, and then you'll be able to click on the change password button. Okay, so let's have a go at changing our password. So I'm going to type in my existing password, and at this point, if you can't remember what your old password or your existing password is, you can click on the forgotten password button. It will then ask you to enter the email address that is linked to this account. It will send you a link via email, and you'll be able to follow the steps in that link to then be able to reset your password. But in this case, I know my old password which I've entered. I'm now going to type in a new password, and then it'll ask me to confirm that, so I need to type in exactly the same. So this is my new password, and I'm making sure it matches what I've typed in new password, and then all I need to do now is click on the change password button. It will take a little second, and then it should tell me down the bottom that my password has now been changed. The likelihood is I'll also receive a message to let me know that my password has been changed. And you'll see if I go down to emails from Instagram, just down here, I should see in a little minute the email will appear in this list because it will tell me that my password has been changed. I'm ahead of the game here though because it's not displayed, but it will come through in a second, because you'll always receive an email from Instagram if you have made a change to your password. And if you don't receive the email, you should be able to see it within this emails from Instagram area under security. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hopefully you found this one useful. If you have been using the same password for multiple different devices, I really would encourage you to go on and start using a different, unique password for each of the services that you use. If you're looking for a good password manager, then LastPass can be really, really useful at generating long passwords that you don't need to remember. All you need to do is to remember your master password, and you'll be able to populate password fields automatically using things like the browser plugin that you'll see up here, or various apps on the mobile phone. So use different passwords, and that's how you can change your password in Instagram. As I mentioned earlier in the video, if you do want to check out my 5 ways of keeping your Instagram account as safe and secure as possible, I'll put the card up on screen now, or you'll be able to click on the link in my description. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please do give it a like. Feel free to comment below and let me know what you thought about the video, or what you think about using passwords and various password tools. And also, if you've not already subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more videos for a wide range of tech applications, and there's bound to be something of use for you there. So thanks very much for watching, and hopefully this will go a long way to helping keep your Instagram account secure.